heavy-duty laser system created by scientists. But before we find out that, this is Dash from Health App. If you want to know more latest health facts, tips and interesting news like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Well, yes, scientists have developed a new type of laser that can emit large amount of energy in very short period of time. Potentially, it can be used everywhere, from eyes and heart surgery to the development of delicate materials of a new generation. The director of the Institute of Photonics and Optical Science of the University of Sydney, Professor Martine, explained the basic principles of the new installation. According to his, if the pulse duration of the laser is reduced to less than a trillionth of a second, its energy can reach peak values. This makes them ideal candidates for processing materials that require short, powerful pulses. One of the applications he can find, for example, during surgery on the cornea of our eyes, based on the careful removal of the substance from the eye. It requires strong, short light pulses that do not hit and damage the surface more than necessary. A study on laser is published in the journal Nature Photonics. Scientists have achieved such impressive results by turning to simple laser technology, which is widespread in telecommunications, metrology, and spectroscopy. Such lasers use an effect known as soliton waves, which are waves of light that retains their shape even at large distances. The fact that soliton waves retain their shapes means that they are excellently suited for a wide range of applications, including telecommunications and spectrometry. But modern laser emitting these solitons, although simple to manufacture, do not achieve the desired effect. To create high-energy optical pulses, a completely different and more expensive physical system is required, explained one of the authors of the article, Dr. Atin Ranj. Co-author Dr. Andrea Blanco, head of Silicon Photonics at Nokia Bell Labs in the United States, added, soliton-based lasers are the easiest, most economical and most reliable way to achieve short pulses. However, to date, conventional soliton lasers have simply not been powerful enough. So, this is a really good discovery. This is a really great achievement for scientists. It can do good to our health, and health sector will improve a lot, and we are looking forward to that. Till then, be healthy, be happy always. Remember to stay tuned with this channel. See you later and thanks for watching.